Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. This is an aperitif called Campari, which I happen to kind of like every so often, just a little bit on the rocks. Well, Campari was invented in 1860 in Italy by a guy by the name of Campari. Well, the other day I had some and I was thinking, boy, this might make a great sauce for chicken. And here's the thing about Campari. The recipe is a secret, and they say it contains 60 ingredients, herbs and fruits. And what makes it so bitter is they think it might be a fruit that's similar to a small sour orange. But that's pretty much all they know about it. But I know that it's going to make a great sauce. Now, when you have large breasts, wait, let me redo that one. When you've gone to the store and purchased large pieces of chicken like this, it's going to take a little while to grill, so you want to allow plenty of time for that. I'm going to pop these on the grill. And the only thing I'm going to do is generously salt them. And then when I flip them, we'll salt the other side. Now for the Campari sauce. I'm going to pour a couple of cups of Campari into this saucepan. We're going to let that boil away until it reduces by half to 1 cup. Okay, this is definitely reduced by half. There's only 3 more ingredients that go into this Campari sauce. I have 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Stir that in. That's going to take the edge off the bitterness. And pepper. I want a good tablespoon of pepper in that sauce. I'm going to stir that in. Then I'm going to turn it off. And stir in one more thing. 1/2 cup of cream. Heavy cream. Look at that pretty color. I'm going to cook it down a little bit more so it thickens a little bit. Then I'm going to steal a little bit, brush it on the chicken and sear it on there, and then we're going to top the finished chicken with the rest of the sauce. And we are almost ready. I'm going to spoon a little more Campari sauce over the top. so excited to try this. It worked. It's a savor. Campari chicken.